This home is proudly listed by Marshall A. Toney, associate broker with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. You will love this beautiful, well-maintained home, which will check off your must-have boxes for the appropriate number of bedrooms, design, and flow of the floor plan, yard size, corner lot, and one more checkbox that may just be would be nice to have a basement checkbox. Yes, this home has one. This space will easily become the envy of the home. It will also provide you with that much needed storage space. Come and add your personal touches and fall in love with this bright, open, and light-filled home. You will also enjoy the convenience the community offers to Stonehouse Elementary and the ease of being only minutes to both I-64 East and West, making your commute to any of the surrounding military bases, Colonial Williamsburg, or William and Mary a breeze. Make your appointment today to see this beautiful home.